So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Windows update is stuck. Now, in order to fix that, you simply need to press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Now here you have to search for services.msc. Now once you do that, be very careful with the spellings and all the periods. Now here you have to search for Windows update in this list. These are alphabetical order, so you can easily find it. Now here you'll see the Windows update. In your case, it might be disabled or something. Now, all you need to do is to just simply press stop right there. Then once you do that, it will take some time and get stopped. Now here, click on properties, click on here to automatic or just simply hit manual and hit start. Now, once you do that and hit apply and okay, now you'll notice that all the stuck Windows update will either restart or get finished. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.